Let me just declare a variable called name, and I'll just directly assign the field there. Okay, and then the other one will be uh, surname. Okay, and now I'll just wanna print. I wanna print my name. I will just say, okay, your name is. Okay, remember this concatenating. So what I need my object. I need my object. Okay, but before I do anything with my object, let me take this object and let me just call the method get set. I'm just gonna set the name, okay, and I'll do the same and set the surname, okay, and then here I'll call my get method. I want to get the name, okay. So here, like I said, I'm setting the method set name. This variable passed here, and then the value here will come here. Okay, cool. So let me copy this statement here, and now I'll say I want to get the surname. So there's a method get surname. So I'll call that method. Okay, and then we are good to go. If I run this project, uh, I should be able to see if rhyme. Okay, so because here I did not call the correct variable. I need to pass this variable here so that it can give me the correct output, which is let me fix here, which is Novella. Okay. Uh, yes, let me run this again and see. Okay, cool. So you'll see here the output will be Ephraim Novels. Okay, cool. So when we're done with this, uh, let me just now show you how you can then take this project to GitHub. So you right click there, then you click versioning, then you come here and say initialize GitHub repository. Okay, then it will show where this project is saved under C drive, then under frame, then documents, and Netbeans project. You click OK, and then you then come back here. Okay, cool. Now what do you want to do? You want to make some commitment. Okay, cool. These are the files that are found in this project that we're doing. So what you need to do, you can always make some comments here every time you make some changes. Okay, so I will say first. Okay, cool. So then you click commit this. Okay, do you want to set yes, I want to set this as a default author. Okay, cool. Then you see here it's done. Then you right click, you go back to get to GitHub. Then what you want to do now, you say I want to now push this code remotely, meaning you want to create another branch. Okay, so you come and say push. So you'll see now that it has selected uh, the GitHub repository URL here. If you remember well, let me just take it, this one here. So this is the URL, but this URL is for the previous one. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that I put the correct repository URL because this project will going to save in a different repository. We want the GitHub uh, repo. Okay, so now what you need to do, you can now use your username, the one that you used to log in here, and then you for the password you're going to take the very same token that you created. Okay, and then make sure here that it's on no proxy. Okay, and then you click next, and then it will then allow you to say, okay, now you want to select the master branch. Then you click next, and you click finish. Uh, it will start building. So you say, do you want to set the branch master to track the remote branch? Yes. Okay. Then okay, you'll be good to go. So one thing you can do to check that, you can always come here, and then let's just refresh our repo, and then you will see the code that comes in here. So this is the code. So if you come in here, you will see that uh, we have the our classes here. Okay, cool. So maybe just to demonstrate, let's just go back to the project, and let's add another class. Okay, let's add another class. Uh, okay, let's call this class employee. Okay, just want to get testing here. So we've got this class here. So what I need to do, I'll just go back to this class. Okay, and I'll just paste this, rename. Okay, I'll just keep it like that. I don't want to do anything here. So what I want to do here is I want to commit these changes. Okay, so I'll come here to Git, and then I'll say now I want to commit. Okay, then what am I committing? First commit. So now I'm committing. I'll say created as employee. Okay, so this is what I created. You see, whatever that will be new in this project will then appear, because when we push this code, this employee class was not there. Then I will go and say, okay, cool, I want to commit that now. Okay, then we'll have to go back to our GitHub and refresh our repository and see if we have any changes. Okay, cool. Let's just give some time and see what. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, I've committed the changes here, but I not commit to our online branch. Okay, so I need to come and say I need to also push this guy to my branch, which is online. So you just have to go there and select that one. Yes. Okay, then click finish. Uh, so wait for it to push. See, now just push the code. Okay, should now. Yes, so this is our employee class. So this is how you create branches. You can have multiple people working in this project, but this is the best way to have your project safe, so that should you happen to use a machine, you still have your project safe. Do you want to work with someone from far? Maybe you're not in the same location. You can still work on the same project. It's the best practice. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more content and for more videos on best practices when it comes to software development. Uh, See you next time.